7828 Bell Tower Lane, Fairburn, Georgia. This is a 2-story home, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage. A great neighborhood here in Fairburn, Union City. It's a sidewalk community. It's got a 2-car automatic garage, covered front porch. We're going to go inside. I'll take you through. Coming in the front door into a foyer area. Fresh paint here. On the right there is a den slash could be a dining room area and a coat closet. Hallway leads you down to a half bath on this lower level. It's a 2-story home. And on the left is the entrance to the garage. 2-car automatic garage. Lots of room. This home has a security system. You can have that turned on and monitored at your discretion. If you continue on through the foyer hallway in to the end, it'll lead you to a family room and the kitchen. There's a ceiling fan here, fireplace with a gas starter, carpet in the living room, and then new linoleum in the kitchen. The kitchen has plenty of cabinets and countertop space. Dishwasher, range oven, and refrigerator all here ready to go. It's a walk-in pantry, and also the laundry is located here in a common area. That's the lower level of this home. There's also a back patio. I'll show you that here in a moment. If you walk over to the end of the living room, you can enter the stairway to the upstairs. There's 4 bedrooms upstairs, 2 full bathrooms. At the top of the stairs, we're going to take a left. There's bedroom number 1. It looks like fresh paint through the entire house. Here's the full bathroom on the upstairs level in the hallway. And here's 2 more bedrooms. Vaulted ceilings. This home is fresh and clean, ready to move in. There's a pull-down attic stair here in the hallway. Here's a look back at the staircase. And the hallway here in the upstairs landing. And the master bedroom faces the backyard. 2 large windows letting in natural light. Carpet in this room, fresh paint, ceiling fan. Master bathroom, double vanities, beautiful cabinets, large walk-in closet, separate shower, and a garden tub. This is the master suite. And that's the upstairs of this home. 4 bedrooms. The master has a beautiful master bathroom. Another bathroom in the hallway. Plenty of closet and storage space. If you're looking for a home in the Union City, Fairburn area, and you'd like more information on this home, you can go to trustbravo.com for more information. This home also has security doors at the front and the back. A large patio out back. It's a private backyard. And again, trustbravo.com for more information. Take care.